What's going on, everybody? It is Jordan with Gem Solutions again. We are back at it again for another Sunday upload. We are cutting grass again in New Bedford because it's been raining like crazy and the grass grew faster than we were expecting. So our bi-weekly people turned into every week type of people. So yeah, you're gonna see that all today in this video. Every time Chris pulls on it, it just, it pops out of the hole and it doesn't engage the cord here that engages the lawnmower when you pull it to turn on. So we're gonna do a fast fix out in the field. I have self-tapper screws. It's a screw that'll cut, that'll drill right through metal. We're gonna drill a hole through the plastic and through the metal, and it should hold it from falling out of place again like this. So it should not do that anymore once I put the screw in. So let's do that now. Now, it doesn't go nowhere. Now he can engage it no problem, and he'll be able to pull it and turn it on like nothing. Alright guys, so this part of the video, I'm just gonna chop back these vines from the grapevine here. That way you can actually walk through and not get like attacked by the vines. And you can actually get to like the trash bins and to the doors. So I'm just gonna chop it down, make it clean, and then you'll see that. Alright, so the reason I used the little clippers instead of like a trimmer or a machine trimmer or anything like that is so that I don't go too much and kill it. I have way more control over these than sometimes you do with the trimmer. So I just kind of I like these a little bit better, especially for things like this where I don't have to cut back a lot. I just have to make sure everything's trimmed up. So I like to use these a little bit more. And I'll show you now. We're gonna walk with me here. Everything. So now you can actually walk and not hit your head. And same thing over here. It was kind of just like falling down. So we cleaned everything up. And now you can actually walk, and you can walk into, like the trash cans and everything. So at least now you're not getting attacked by the grapevines.
What's going on, guys? We're out at one of our properties here. It is genuinely an excruciatingly hot day. Our cameras are overheating. The equipment is super hot, and you got to stay hydrated. So if you're starting out, or even a seasoned lawn care person, definitely make sure to hydrate more than you expect. Right now, I'm just finished my first bottle of water. I'll be going on to my second. I got a nice cool towel in the truck. But I'll kind of give you a little tour of the property here. It's a unique property. It's one of our larger ones in terms of grass size in the city. We have this little triangle spot right here, right on the road. Got this bush. We have this really kind of weird triangular square that the old boss is weed whacking right now. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Then as we move on into the back, right here we're in the backyard now. It's, like I said, a little bit of larger of a yard. We already just mowed it. We're gonna do some weed whacking now, but fairly simple setup. So make sure you guys stay hydrated. Our equipment is screaming right now to be cold, and whew, so we'll catch you guys in the next yard.
So that is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's another, cut the grass type of day. Hopefully we can get you some different type of content as well as the grass cutting content. But that is it for today's video. We will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Make sure that you know when we post. Usually it's every Sunday. But that is the video. Peace.